Hi, welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is Christine. Today I have a huge journal that I just finished making, and this measures 9.5 inches wide by 11.5 inches tall, and it's got a huge spine, 3 inches. I've got 5 signatures stitched inside, so you can see the stitching here on the side. And I didn't do any embellishments in the journal because the idea is if you're going to buy a journal, it's nice to be able to customize it the way you like. I did include some tags and some images, but all the pages that are meant to be journaled on are just left blank, so you can add your own stamping and whatnot. It's got a ribbon closure, and this is really easy to take off if you wanted to replace the closure with something else. This is an image that I got from a book, and I've got a few of these styles of images throughout. So let's have a look at the inside. So you could put an envelope here or put a large photo or whatever you like, but just keep in mind if you're putting pictures in that you'll want to keep your originals in a safe space because these pages are not acid free. So you can print out photos and attach them throughout, but just make sure that you keep any originals in a safe spot. I've got a pocket on the first signature and just a couple of tags in here. Pretty image of a bird. And this reads memories, so you can write a title or whatnot in there. So here's the first page. Like I said, these pages meant to write on are just blank. I've got some tea-dyed papers. And here's one of the images I was mentioning. Very pretty. And then there's another image on the back. I hope this is staying in frame. Now here's a little tag that I put in the pocket, and you could write on here if you wanted to. And there's the next page. And this is an envelope, so you can tuck something in here. And there's another image on the back. I'm not sure how many pages there are in here. I'll write it in the description in my Etsy listing. I like the sound of these crinkly pages, and there's the back of the first signature. There's another tag in here. All these different horses. Do something kind today. These are actually 11 by 17 sheets of paper that I tea-dyed. And also I left the strings fairly long here. That way, if you like, you can attach some beads on there. I know some people like doing that in their journals. So I didn't cut them short. Another tag, and this says happiness blooms within. And this is the third signature. I really like the colors in these vintage style images. Another envelope. there's lots and lots of room in here. And it can be used also as a scrapbook where you're attaching all sorts of mementos in there. The pages are quite large, so you could put a lot of things in it. There's another tag here. You can just stick something behind there. And this was just an interesting type of paper that I included. I like the different textures. There's another tag, and this opens like that. And you can tuck something behind there. And the last envelope. And you can tuck something here. And there's the back. So I will include a link to this journal in my Etsy shop in the description of this video. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.